Petroleum-carrying tankers have warned to stop their service from August 1st if the government fails to provide adequate security for oil tankers in order to prevent unnecessary extortion by people along Imphal-Ziribam National Highway number 37. In a press note, Consortium of Manipur Petroleum Products Transporters Fraternity maintained that a memorandum has been submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking adequate security along national highways of Manipur. Despite the deployment of CRPF convoy, some armed groups are still engaged in extortion along Imphal-Ziribam National Highway. They are charging 6,200 rupees for a round trip from each trucks and tankers. They're extorting a huge sum of money amounting to 9,30,000 rupees from about 150 tankers on daily basis, which amount to crores annually. This illegal tax has caused a dent on the pockets of common people and transporters. Drivers are also facing threats and intimidation on regular basis if they fail to pay this illegal tax. Consortium of Manipur Petroleum Products Transporters Fraternity has urged government to make necessary security arrangements to protect drivers and carriers from such illegal extortion and intimidation, and also to make this national highway safer.